Hi there, my name's Jessica Daniels. I'm the Customer Experience Coordinator here at InReach Solutions. Today we're going to show you how to add a family in SAM. One little tip for you as you're starting to enter records into SAM is sometimes people feel a little bit nervous about going in and entering their current client records right from the beginning when you're not super familiar with SAM. So one way to get the practice in is creating a test record. So create a family, child, birth parent, foster parent, person records that are with the last name test or demo or whatever works for you, so that you know right off the bat that it's not an actual client. And then you can go ahead and play around with the things on the sidebar. You can go in and start clicking things like adding parent education, or just at least clicking around and seeing what's in SAM before you start entering your test records. So that's something that we definitely recommend as you move forward. We are on the home screen of SAM. Your tabs up here at the top might look a little bit different than these depending on how your SAM was set up. There's a couple ways to add families. The first is on the sidebar here. You can just click Add Family, or you can, if you're on the Family tab, click that. You'll also see the reports that are under the Family tab. And again, on the sidebar, you'll see Add Family. It might be good practice as you get going in SAM before you add a family is just to search for that family. Make sure you're not adding them when they're already in the system. And to do that, you can just start typing their name, and if they're in there, they'll show up here. Okay, so we're going to add a family. So we're going to go over here to the sidebar, click Add Family. I'm going to enter Mary Johnson. I'm going to add a date of birth here and here. Okay, so I've added this information here. If you are an admin, you'll see these tiny little links here on the side where it says edit. And that's a quick link for you to get to a page where you can actually edit these drop-down fields. And if you are an admin, you can do that. If you're not an admin, you shouldn't see those there. So we're going to go down here. We're going to say this person prefers email. We're going to enter their phone. We're going to enter an email, mary@johnson.com. And a cell phone number. You can also enter a memo here if you'd like. This family was referred by previous family, something like that. Parent 2 is here, and that's going to be here. And we're going to just go ahead and enter in some dates. Also, you have this little button next here, which is a calendar. So that kind of, if you want to bring a calendar up instead of actually typing the name in, you can do that there. We're going to enter their address. And I'm just entering some stuff that's already in here just to make this go faster. County, Multnomah. Okay, and then you'll want to click that this is an active family if they're active in your organization. And then here is where you can choose what program your family is participating in. Again, there's these little edit buttons on the side for admins where you can edit and change what these drop-down options are. So every single place in here is customizable for that. So let's say this is a domestic case. We're not going to do, let's see, we're going to say this is US. And we are in the application stage right now for this client. You can also add the social worker or case manager by clicking that button there. You can search by name. Caseworker. Okay, I did. I have Sally caseworker in there. In another video, I will go ahead and show you how to add another person. But for now, we'll just go ahead and do that. Click on caseworker there, placing agency. You can do that if you'd like, or you can click view all and see which ones there are. Click there. Inquiry receive date, referral source. There's lots of options in here. If the family has adopted child preferences, that's here on the bottom. And you can click, if you click that to yes, then these options will come up. Let's say if they prefer just one child, no siblings, domestic foster care adoption, and they want a max age of 10, let's say. So you can put all of those preferences in there, and then we just click save. Okay, so after you hit save, you'll be taken back to the family's cover page. And this will show you all of the information that you've entered about the family. And you'll also have some new sidebar links here on the side. So this will be the home page for that family's case. From here, you can add a photo of the family if you'd like, and you can enter more details as well by clicking Edit Family. And in future videos, we'll be showing you how to connect children, birth mothers to a family case, add communications, etc. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this guide's been helpful. If you have any questions or need any additional help, just email us at support@inreachsolutions.com.